ZAMAZENTA and ZACIAN in raids now. For only August 18 to August 20th. A Grand Mega Evolve. Oh. This thing XO by the way. New Mega. Yippee. This is the boring stuff. ZACIAN stats. Use fire and ground types. Meta counters, 120 chance for shiny. Light work. Trash. Bro, that ZACIAN was my 1000th raid. ZAMAZENTA boring stuff. Stats, meta for Master League. Weak to ground, fire and fighting types. Best counters. Shiny. Not shiny. I had another video today, but I accidentally deleted it when I was clearing space. It was a cool one too. Hold on, this thing's trash.